You've probably heard the Mao killed millions narrative, but do you actually know where it comes from? This is episode 3 of my series on the Great Leap Forward and the Mao killed millions narrative. In 1983, China released its population census covering 1954 to 1982. One number drew global attention. Between 1960 and 1964, the population dropped by 26.44 million. That figure, lining up with the Great Leap Forward, quickly became Western media gold. Mao killed millions, they said. But here's the problem. It's statistically dishonest, because the same data set shows anomalous population increases both before and after that period. From 1954 to 1959, China recorded 11.62 million more people than expected. From 1965 to 1982, another 14.83 million were recorded above projections. Add them together and you get 26.45 million, almost identical to the supposed decrease of 26.44 million. Coincidence? Not likely. The data suggests this wasn't a mass death event, but a correction of inflated or duplicated records caused by massive internal migration and admin chaos. Between 1956 and 1959, during rapid economic growth and preparation for the Great Leap Forward, 30 million people moved to the cities, but only 18 million were removed from countryside records. That means 12 million people were double counted. And there is well-documented evidence that some provinces inflated numbers to receive more grain allocations. Then, between 1960 and 1964, due to economic and political corrections, over 20 million urban residents were moved back to the countryside areas. When they were deleted from city registries, it looked like population loss, but it was reclassification, not death. From 1965 to 1982, as the economy recovered and began to grow again, over 14 million returned to the cities, closing the statistical loop. So now you know the Mao killed millions story is built on bad math, incomplete data, and political distortion. When you consider the entire period from 1954 to 1982, the so-called mass death disappears into a mix of reclassification, double counting, and post-crisis corrections. And that's the part they will never teach you in a Western classroom. But one question remains. How many lives were actually lost during the Great Leap Forward? That's what we'll cover in the next video. Stay tuned.